Memecoin trading has completely changed in 2025. So many people are asking me, how can I make money trading meme coins? I'm really struggling today. There's a super important piece of information that I really need to show you, and we're going to get straight into the video right now. Here on Axiom, we're given some fantastic statistics at the bottom called Market Lighthouse. We can see over the last 24 hours, the total amount of trades, total amount of traders, how much volume is actually coming into this meme coin market. You can see over $3 billion in buying volume, nearly $4 billion in selling volume. But I have one super interesting, very important piece of information that I need to cover for you that has completely changed the meme coin game in 2025, and it's completely changed my strategy and what I'm doing every single day to make money. Let's see down here, we can see the created coins in the last 24 hours. 38,900 created meme coins in the last 24 hours. But that's not the most important piece of information. The most important piece of information is the migrated coins. We've only had 377 migrated coins. If we actually come over and calculate exactly what the percentage that is, so let's actually have a look. So we'll divide 376 divided by 38,900. That's less than 1% because 0.01% shown as a percentage is 1%. So that's basically saying that 1% of all of the tokens that are coming out now are actually migrating. And what does migrating mean? Well, it means that their bonding curve or that their market cap is reaching at least 75,000. Then the liquidity pool gets migrated over to Radium, and then those coins are available to be traded on much larger and different exchanges. So 1% of coins, meme coins that are coming out right now are super profitable to be traded. So how does that actually affect us in how we're going to move forward with meme coin trading in 2025? Well, if only 1% of coins are migrating, what does that mean? That means that we don't want to be looking for meme coins in the $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 market cap. Now you might say, why? The reason why is because if you're buying in that zone at a 5, 10, 15,000 market cap, you have a 1% chance. A 1% chance of that coin actually making it to the bonding curve and reaching something roughly like $100,000 per coin. So there's basically 1% chance. 1 out of 100 of those coins that you buy in super early is actually going to make it to the bonding curve. That's such a low percentage. If you understand my trading strategy, I'm all about high probability plays. And if I'm taking that trade, that's an extremely low probability play. What we've been seeing lately is a lot of these coins like this one actually finally reaching the 1 million market cap, but then literally completely dumping after 24 hours and then sitting at like 15,000 market cap. And if we were to come back around 3 months later, we'd see the coin is still at no market cap. It hasn't actually reached and gone anywhere. It's completely changed. So what am I doing to change my trading game in 2025? Well, I'm actually looking to trade these much larger cap coins. Let's go over something like Farcoin, one of the biggest meme coins right now in the market. Let's just scroll out to view the chart. You can actually see just in the last couple of months since March, what's the price movement that we've made? We're up nearly 600% in just 2 to 3 months time. And how is that changing the game? Well, what we're looking to do now is rather than enter for like half a Solana or 1 Solana and look to double our money in 15 seconds or 30 seconds, the trading game has changed. We're looking to enter for much larger position sizes, maybe $1,000, maybe even $5,000, and look for those 500% gains, because as you're entering, even with $1,000, you make 600% gain. That's $6,000 profit in your pocket, rather than looking every single day stressing over trying to find that 1 out of 100 coin that's finally going to migrate. over onto Radium and reach something like 100,000 market cap, we can look for more consistency coming down to these coins that have a large, well-known narrative, that are established in the market, that are not trying to fight for attention. These coins have so much attention. There's thousands and thousands of traders trading them right now. You can even see there's currently 171,000 holders on Fartcoin available, holding right now. This trading strategy has really shifted, because before, months ago, even years ago, when I was trading meme coins 1.5 years ago, 2 years ago, the strategy was to find Fartcoin as early as possible, get in before the million market cap, and then ride it for that 1000x gain, or even 3000x gain as it reached the 3 billion market cap. Whereas now, you can only find 1% of those coins, or even less. It was actually 0.96. So it's actually not even 1%, less than 1% of the coins are reaching that bonding curve. So this is really some fantastic piece of information in how it's changed my trading. The next video, I'll actually be going over exactly how my trading strategy has changed, because before I was trading on Axiom, using Axiom, but now I'm trading on Axiom using TradeWiz, because TradeWiz is the fastest trading bot available. Axiom really focuses on providing great charting, providing great tools, providing some really cool filters for me to find these top meme coins. But what it really lacks in is its speed of trading. It isn't the fastest trading bot. It doesn't have the fastest trading speed. Whereas TradeWiz, it's not focused on providing you the charts and providing you all of this token info. It's just focused on providing you the fastest trading speed possible. And it actually beats every other trading website, every other trading bot, every single time in trade speed. So now I've actually used their extension that you can find down here in Telegram. And then we come over to Telegram, we can see the link here for the extension. We can download the extension, and then it actually links directly to my Telegram. I already have 20 Solana here to be able to trade with, and it's now available to be traded on this extension right here. You can see 21 Solana, the fastest trading bot. Don't forget to use the link in the video description. You actually get 20% off all of your trading fees. And again, it's the fastest trading bot. So you save a lot of money by using TradeWiz because it's the fastest. So rather than slowing or actually getting a really slow trade speed, you get in as soon as possible before the coin spikes, and you sell before the coin dips. So you do save a lot of money by actually having the fastest trading speed possible. So now, rather than looking for 30% scalps on, say, something like 1 to 3 Solana per entry, and looking to enter in a couple of minutes and exit within a couple of minutes to a couple of hours, really, I'm looking for those 500% gains, 1000% gains, but over a larger time frame. Obviously, we're not going to get 1000% gain or a 10x just overnight every single time. A lot of the time, it might take a few days to a few weeks, even maybe a month for this to happen. But as I said, since we're trading a much larger position size, even let's say $1,000 on the small end, if we do get a 10x, we make a $10,000 profit or $9,000 in profit. That's really, really good for 1 month of trading. If you can continuously do that, well, why would you be focusing on this super short-term trading when this slightly more longer-term swing trading in meme coins is actually working out just as profitable, if not more profitable? So that's really how I'm focusing on meme coin trading right now. And even the statistics directly shown from Axiom is showing us that the short-term trading isn't working as profitably as this longer-term trading. Don't forget to use TradeWiz, the fastest trading bot overlaid on every single website like Axiom, Dex Screener, BullX, Photon, even more. If you have enjoyed the video, smash the like and subscribe, because I'll see you in tomorrow's video.